I'm going to show you how you can automatically recruit agents through a chatbot inside of Messenger or Instagram, and how you can get them to pre-qualify themselves as an agent and make sure that they have all the information about either being an agent on your team, switching brokerages, being a new agent, or maybe an existing agent that wants to, again, switch brokerages, giving them the information that they require before spending your time to tell them about being an agent, and then they realize that they're not probably agent material. So it's definitely going to save you time by using this chatbot, so that you can get more people on your team. So what I'm going to do, I have the oh, all right, I have the template here inside of ManyChat for you. If you want to just download this template, you can go to realestatemessengerbot.com and get the template there. I'm going to give you a demo of it, and then I'm going to show you how it's created inside of ManyChat. So right here, I'm going to go ahead and start this demo. Preview in Facebook and hit preview. All right, so the first message that pops up, and this is all editable. You can change anything in here. It has very pretty generic responses, but it is good information. Of course, you can customize some things to be more specific about your team and brokerages and everything. So let's say become a realtor. So you can see here, when I click on that, it's going to go to this message here. Let's see what the job summary is. All right, so it has all of these. I'm obviously not going to read all that to you, but I'm going to hit show job tasks. All right, so it has a list of tasks. And you can see here, instead of clicking on every single button, I'm going to show you here on the side, it'll go through and they can just keep on reading more and more about it. And then finally at the end, they can take the career quiz or click join our team. So I'm going to go back here. I'm going to click on the career quiz because it's going to go to the same message. And then this career quiz is starting right here. So it's going to tell you how to take the quiz, and then you hit let's start, and it goes through to see if they're agent material, if they really like to do this. Okay, so we do like, I'm not going to read the questions, I'm just going to show you that you can select these different options. And then at the end, it's going to show you what you selected and then show you how to calculate your score. Okay. You like working with the data and details. You like working with communicating with people and teaching people. All right, so now it goes and it calculates what you entered. Basically, you go through and count the likes you had, the OKs you had, and the dislikes you had, and get your number that you want. Let's say, I'm not going to count those all up right now, but let's say it's 13 or something. We're going to go here, and now we see that 10 through 15, which 13 falls under, is you are right for the right person for the job. If you got 16 to 20 points, you're the perfect for this career. But if you got less than 9, you may not like this career. So it just gives them a little bit of an idea of, are they going to like it? Are they going to like it? Are they going to hate it? And gives them that information. So it's a cool little survey that they can do there. Right there, you have that call us now button. It opens up, and you can change your phone number there. And then we're going to go to join our team. So right here, it's going to ask these questions. So let me back up just so I can show you how it works here. The join our team and the transfer brokerages go to the same questions after the first question. So the join our team, it says, great, first name, we would love to have you on our team. Just a couple questions for you real quick. Click when you're ready. And then the switch brokerages says, awesome, we'd love to have you transfer our brokerage. Can you answer a couple questions for us real quick? So it's the same questions that they're going to receive, but just a different intro to those questions. All right, so let's go. How long have you been a realtor? What brokerage are you at right now? Type in the brokerage. How many closings have you had in the past month? What's a good number to reach you at? It's a good email. Okay. All right. And there's only a few questions, but if you want to add more questions to it, if you want to edit any questions, again, this is all customizable. You can add more questions if you think you need to ask them a few more questions. But basically, you just want to get their contact information, and then you want to get them on the phone to talk to them if they're talking about transferring brokerages or anything like that. So then they have that call us now button that will open up the phone number for contacting you, right there. All right, so that's essentially how the chatbot works. I'm gonna go again real quick over what the messages are and how it flows inside of ManyChat. So let me make myself small here. All right. So to get people into this flow, there's a few ways that you can do it. You can set up a Facebook ad. You can use comments on your post. So if you connect this to a specific post, you can make a post about saying comment below team or whatever, and you can set it up so that this flow will send to anybody who comments team on your post. The other one is using a keyword. We use this with our Facebook ads a lot over the JSON ads, and we show you how to do this on our YouTube channel. The Messenger ref URL is basically a direct link that you can create, and then the QR code. Obviously, you create a QR code, they scan it, and they go into this flow. So if you click on Messenger ref URL, you hit save, and now you have a direct link that you can copy and share with anybody, and it'll open up your Messenger chatbot on your page or your Instagram. This link goes directly to Messenger, Facebook, and then they can go through that flow. So back to the first question that you have. It's going to say, hey, first name, thanks for messaging us and learn a little bit more about what we do. Would you like some more info? What would you like some info on today? Become a realtor, join our team, transfer brokerages. Again, these go to different messages. The buttons go to the join our team and transfer brokerages, and go to different responses that go to the same question flow here. How these questions are set up are basically using user input fields or user inputs, and then we can capture their information to use somewhere else, and it basically gets captured as part of their data when you use the user input for them. So this one specifically is a multiple choice reply type, so that you can type in responses and they can just click a button to respond to you. And then you can save the response to a custom field. You just basically name whatever that custom field is, and that will save the information under this custom field name. So how long you've been a realtor, it'll save that information 2 to 5 years, whatever it is. How long have you, or what brokerage are you currently with? This one is the user input and the reply type as text. So with text, you can set that up so that they can just type in whatever they want, and that information gets saved to the custom field, as opposed to just clicking a button. They can type it in. So depending on what type of question you have, you can either choose text or multiple choice or a couple other ones. Again, this one is multiple choice. Phone number, we're going to save this, or the reply type is phone, so that you saw that my information popped up. That's already saved with Facebook, so they can click that button, they can click the phone number right away, or they can type in a different phone number, and then it gets saved to a phone system field, and then they opt in for SMS follow-up that you can do. And then the same thing for an email. The reply type is email, and you can set it as a system field and set the email opt-in. And then the action right here is what's going to notify you about this lead. So it's gonna, you can create a message that provides all the information. You'll see here that this stuff is going to be replaced with the information that they clicked on or they entered. The email is going to be replaced with the actual email that they entered. And then you can see here that it selects the email as your notification type. And then the last message, give us a call. You want to change this phone number and make sure that you hit done and save that there. So as we go to the up here, we got the job summary and the take career quiz. So the job summary, again, this is all editable. If you want to go through and change some of this, the wording or anything, or shorten it however you want, you can do that. These are just normal messages that have buttons that go to the next message. So you just keep clicking show me more because it's a lot of information. And then the career quiz and the join our team. These are two buttons that basically just go to those different options. So did that. We already did the join our team. So we're on the take career quiz. So career quiz goes down to here and starts with a message, normal message with a button that has them start the actual quiz. And then for how we have this set up is, again, we're using the user input, multiple choice, and then we have each response is saved as career quiz, question 1, question 2, or Q1, Q2, Q3, and then we use the same inputs, same multiple choice replies across all the questions. So you'll see here the custom field is career quiz Q1, Q2, Q3, so on and so forth. And it goes through. Again, these are all, dislike, okay, like, whichever one you do. And then at the end, we replace these career quiz custom fields with that actual information. As you saw in the demo, you saw that I had a couple likes, okays, dislikes show up there. That's used, or that's entered with this bracket right here, and you just type in whatever you named that user field. So you can see all the user fields here, and that's basically how we added that in there. We just selected the user field for that question. Then they can hit see results, and we know what those are worth, and we just calculated, the dislikes are 0 points, the okays are 1 point, and the likes are 2 points. So there's 10 questions. They can get up to 2 points most each. So if they liked all of them, then they'd get 20 points. And you can adjust these if you want. If you want to make them a little bit less, then by all means you can do that. And then the join our team job summary, again, those just go to the other flows. And then the call us is a button that you want to change the number to. And again, that kind of just like goes around on each other on which buttons go to basically these 3 different sections inside of the recruitment flow. So you got the summary, the quiz, and then the questions about capturing their information so that they can join your team, and you have that a little bit of information there. So that's the recruiting quiz, or the agent recruiting flow. If you guys have any questions about this or how to add anything, you can go ahead and drop your questions in the comments below. Again, you can download this at realestatemessengerbot.com. You can get the link in the description below. And go ahead, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more videos like it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks.